Good morning, or evening, or afternoon, whatever time you're watching me from. Welcome back here. If this is your first time, Karibu. My name is Alice. I'm on a weight loss journey. So, from my last video, I was just giving an update on the egg diet, and this week we are doing intermittent fasting. And intermittent fasting, in case you don't know, it's a way of eating where you have a window of eating and a window of fasting. It's as simple as that. So there are different methods, there are different protocols, but I chose to start with the easy one, which is the 16-8 method, where I fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. So this, for me and for many other people out there, is eating from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. So you don't necessarily eat like the entire time, all the 8 hours. Personally, I stick to two meals, one at around 12 and another one at 8 or 7:30, really depending on my schedule that day, and then maybe snacks in between. So intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for weight loss and many other benefits. It has benefits for cellular repair, get benefits for your brain, for your heart health, and then it keeps your insulin low. Insulin is the hormone that tells the body to either burn fat or keep fat, store fat. So when you keep it low, you're essentially telling your body to burn fat. I'm trying to work myself up to perhaps the 24 method, where to fast 20 hours and eat in a 4-hour window, or OMAD, something that I feel comfortable and know that I can do long term. So, but this week we just started with the basic one and tried to work our way up. So allow me to show you this typical day of eating for me. There's nothing special really. It's just I try to eat food that is available, food that I love. Just trying to go low on the portions, especially on refined carbohydrates, even carbohydrates as in general, and and just keep the portions low. But it's not easy. Still a bit of a struggle, especially because I'm coming from eating large portions of food and now I have to really go down. So, but I know I'll do that. I have like 30 minutes to break my fast. So I've just had this water. This is, as you can see, 600 millimeters. This bottle is 600 millimeters. I try to drink as much as 2 of these. I try to take 2 of these before lunchtime. And so this is my second bottle. That's all I do in the mornings. So lunchtime, we're serving githeri. Githeri is a meal that we love here in Kenya. It's just a mixture of beans and maize or corn. And then I've just added a few things on the side of vegetables, French beans and carrot and an avocado. So that was my lunch. Dinner time. So this is what we call Omena. Omena is just a small variety of fish. It's almost like sardines, but they're smaller than sardines. So it's quite dirty. So this, what you're seeing me doing, is just sorting them out to remove that. Sometimes you get snails in there, sometimes you get stone, anything really. Just a lot of stuff that it has. So I have to go through this sorting process. So and then after sorting, that is what you end up with. Just clean omena. Then I add vinegar myself just to get rid of the smell. It can be quite stinky, so I just add it to remove, so to just get rid of the smell. And then add some warm water. It's a little hotter than warm. It's a bit hot, but not very hot. Then let it sit for 15 minutes. And then rinse it off. The first rinse is dirty and smelly by hanging there, so just rinsing it off, and then added some more water and let it sit for about 10 minutes and then rinse it for the second time. I know there's a lot of rinsing, but I promise you guys it's really delicious. And then after rinsing, you just put it in a sufuria or pan. So I have it on medium. No, it's not medium, it's low heat, very low heat. And then after it has dried up, you just add some oil and then stir some more. And then I like mine crunchy, so I just leave it on. After stirring, I just cover it and let it sit for a while. Then fry it. Proceed to fry it. Just fry it the normal way, just onion and tomato, and just stir. It's as simple as that. So I just added some salt and some roiko. Roiko is a spice that we use over here. It's a mixture of a number of things, turmeric and garlic, and that's a number of things. So that's the only spice I use here. And then just throw in your omena, cover the pot, and stir. That's basically it. Some people like to pour some milk or cream at this point, but sometimes I do that. But on this day, I just felt like doing the dry, almost like dry fry. Then I've added my bell pepper, and that's it. The omena is done. Ugali. So omena we serve here with ugali. So this is ugali, basically just hot water mixed with corn flour. As you can see, just add, you just boil your water. When it boils, you just keep adding corn flour and doing that. We call this thing mwiko here. I don't know the English name. Someone tell me what it's called. Basically, this is just all you do. You just mix things up, keep adding flour until you just feel like it's ready. It's the consistency, you like the consistency. Some people like it softer, others like it harder. I got married to a place where we like it harder, so I kind of liked it harder. I used to like it softer. Nowadays I like it harder. So yeah, so just do it. Just do that until you get the right consistency. Then I just move it to a smaller flame and just cover it and let it sit for about 10 minutes or even 20. And that's the end result. So that's the omena and some green veggies and the ugali. So that's dinner. Very delicious and nutritious. Omena is a nice protein and it's also low cost, so I like having it in my diet. Well, the process of making it is can be quite a lot, exhausting, but if you can make it in batches. You can make it in a huge batch, and then just keep frying it as you choose. And then, as you know me, I have to have my sauce. So yeah, don't judge me for that. I know it has sugar, but I'm working on it. Really like it like that. So yeah, that's my dinner. And then I'll have nothing else till I go to bed, really. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.